Ever pulled out your credit report and felt like someone else's life story was staring back at you? Maybe there's an account you don't recognize, a late payment that's not yours, or even an identity theft nightmare unfolding before your eyes. If you found yourself in this situation, and the thought of dealing with red tape is making your head spin, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into how to dispute a Transunion credit report by mail. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why mail? Can't I just do this online? And while it's true that many things in this digital age can be done with a few clicks, disputing a credit report by mail can be surprisingly effective, especially if you have supporting documentation. But before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why this matters. Your credit score is like a financial fingerprint. It influences everything from getting a loan to renting an apartment. So, having incorrect information on your report can be a real headache. So, what do you need to do? First, you need to get your hands on your credit report. You can request a free copy from annualcreditreport.com. Once you have it, carefully review every line item. Look for any errors, inaccuracies, or accounts that don't belong to you. Now, let's talk about crafting your dispute letter. This is where you'll lay out your case. Be clear, concise, and specific. Include your personal information, account numbers, and most importantly, the reason for your dispute. The more details you provide, the better your chances of a successful resolution. But what if you have supporting documents? Maybe you have a canceled check proving you paid a disputed debt, or a police report for identity theft. Great! Include copies of these documents with your letter. It adds weight to your claim. Now, where do you send this letter? Transunion has a specific address for disputes. Make sure you have the correct one. And consider sending it certified mail with a return receipt. This way, you have proof that Transunion received your dispute. Once you've mailed your dispute, the waiting game begins. Transunion has 30 days to investigate your claim. During this time, you might receive calls or letters requesting additional information. Be prepared to provide whatever they need. After the investigation, Transunion will either correct your credit report, verify the information, or delete the disputed item. If you're not satisfied with their response, you can dispute again or consider involving a credit repair agency. Remember, disputing a credit report is not always a quick process. It can be frustrating, but persistence is key. And while it might seem daunting, understanding the process can empower you to take control of your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.